Hi, I am Dr. Paresh Doshi. I am the Director of Neurosurgery and Stereotactic and Functional Neurosurgery Department at the Jaslok Hospital and Research Center in Mumbai, India. I started this department nearly 20 years ago. By now, we have performed more than 1500 neurosurgical procedures, including more than 450 deep brain stimulation surgeries for Parkinson's disease and other movement disorders. We are one of the few centers that deals with functional neurosurgery. 90% of our works deals with functional neurosurgery like movement disorders for Parkinson's disease or other movement disorders, epilepsy, psychiatric disorders like depression or OCD, pain of any origin, whether it be trigeminal neuralgia, migraine or cancer pain, Alzheimer's disease, etc. I have traveled extensively to gain experience in functional neurosurgery to various countries during my early days, including England, France, Germany, United States, Netherlands, and many more. Three core values define our program. The first is human care. We ensure that we make the patient's experience as comfortable as possible. The preparation for the patient's visit starts even before they enter the hospital in terms of various communication by email and phone calls. We ensure that right from the day one, the patient and their caretaker are made comfortable in the hospital environment. We are aware that there are a lot of apprehensions about surgery and its outcome, and hence, myself and each member of my team goes over the surgical procedure in great detail with the patient and their caretaker to alleviate all their concerns, apprehensions, and questions. This pre-operative exercise has singularly helped us to alleviate all the anxiety of the patients and ensure his full cooperation during surgery. The second is patient safety. We ensure the highest level of patient safety. The procedures that we perform meet or exceed all international standards, and they undergo a strict scrutiny by our Scientific and Ethics Committee. The third is innovation. We have been constantly endeavoring to develop newer therapies and strategies to cure and treat various debilitating diseases. We were the first center to offer bilateral deep brain stimulation for Parkinson's disease way back in 1999. In 2012, we performed first surgery for writer's dystonia and migraine. In 2013, we were the first center to offer surgery for depression in Asian and Australian continent. Jaslok Hospital was the first center in the world to offer bilateral PPN DBS for a very debilitating disease called PSP. In 2017, we performed the fourth case in the world and the first surgery in Asia for a patient of autism.
Jaslok Hospital is a pioneer hospital in healthcare. We are one of the hospitals which have got world-class therapeutic and diagnostic facilities. We have a state-of-art dedicated neurosurgical operation unit. Dr. Paresh Doshi, the director of this program, has the largest and the widest experience in this field. He's a world-class leader and he's on the panel of most of the important organizations in this field. He has a huge team with various medical specialists, including the epileptologists, movement disorder neurologists, neuroradiologists, nuclear medicine specialists, pain physicians, psychiatrists and psychologists. We are proud to say that we are among the very few centers of the world who have all these specialists under the same roof.
Myself, Mahendra Dingra. Since past 4 years back, I had done DBS surgery at Jaslok Hospital of Dr. Paresh Doshi. Ever since last in 4 years, first time I have done the stimulator of sharing my experience. By what I feel now is that I am feeling numbness in the body and stiffness in the leg, and my speech is also not that clear, some stammering is on. After the stimulator is on, I am in normal life, and then my walking is also perfect, my talking is also perfect. In every way, I feel comfortable now.
What made us decide for the surgery was the dedication and commitment of Dr. Doshi, which he fulfilled not even 100%, more than 100%, sir. And the teamwork was very excellent. Very excellent is what up to the mark. Up to we never felt we are in hospital. We felt as we were at home.
Our mission is to create the foremost functional neurosurgical center. Each day, we endeavor to provide the best possible medical care in the most compassionate manner. I invite you to look through our website for any additional information and reach out to us to learn more.